Happy story time!
Autumn's Leaves. Once upon a time, in a cozy little burrow at the edge of an enchanting forest, lived 𝗪𝗎, the dormouse. 𝗪𝗎 was a tiny, round, and ever so curious little fella. He loved to explore the world outside and always found himself in the most fantastic adventures. One crisp November morning, 𝗪𝗎's little furry nose twitched with excitement. He poked his head out of his snug burrow and noticed something magical happening in the forest. The leaves on the trees had turned into the most beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow. "Daddy, Daddy!" 𝗪𝗎 squeaked, rushing back into his burrow. "You won't believe what's happening outside. The leaves have turned into a rainbow." 𝗪𝗎's dad, Mr. Dorkwood, was a wise and patient dormouse. He smiled and said, "Ah, 𝗪𝗎, those colorful leaves mean autumn is here. It's a season of change, my little one." 𝗪𝗎 was puzzled. "But why did the leaves change color, Daddy?" Mr. Dorkwood chuckled and explained, "Well, you see, the leaves change color because the tree needs to save energy for the long winter. When the days get shorter and colder, the tree stops making food. The green chlorophyll in the leaves disappears, and other pigments in the leaves become visible, creating these beautiful colors." 𝗪𝗎's eyes grew wide with wonder. "That's amazing, Daddy! But what can we do with these colorful leaves?" Mr. Dorkwood had an idea. "Let's go on an adventure, 𝗪𝗎. We can collect these leaves and build a leaf fort." Excited, 𝗪𝗎 scampered out with his dad into the forest. They gathered leaves of every color, red, orange, and yellow. 𝗪𝗎's mom, Mrs. Dottie, joined in too. She was a gentle and creative dormouse who loved making beautiful things. With the leaves, they built the most beautiful leaf fort. It had colorful walls and a roof that crunched underfoot, just like walking on a blanket of potato chips. 𝗪𝗎's family was delighted with their creation, and they decided to invite their friends for an autumn feast. 𝗪𝗎's best friend, 𝗪𝗔 the squirrel, was a quick-moving little creature. 𝗪𝗔 loved acorn collecting, and she could leap from tree to tree like a fluffy acrobat. "I've brought the acorn pies," 𝗪𝗔 chirped, her bushy tail twitching with excitement. Jack the bunny hopped over with a basket of crisp orange carrots. Jack was shy but had a heart as big as the forest. He said, "I hope everyone likes my carrots. They're my favorite." Finally, Remy the raccoon hurried in, carrying delicious berry tarts. Remy was known for his mischievous nature, but had a heart of gold. "I couldn't resist making these tarts," he said. As the friends feasted in the leaf fort, 𝗪𝗎 looked around at his family and friends. He realized that even though autumn brought change, It brought them closer together. The forest was full of colors, adventures, and surprises, just like 𝗎𝗍's wonderful family and friends. 𝗎𝗍 nestled against his parents, his heart warmed by the cozy gathering. I love autumn, Daddy. It's a season of change and surprises, but it's also a time to be with the ones we love. With a contented sigh, 𝗎𝗍 drifted off to sleep, his head filled with dreams of more autumn adventures with his dear friends and family as the colorful leaves rustled gently overhead. In the heart of the November forest, the little dormouse 𝗎𝗍 learned that autumn was a time of change, beauty, and togetherness, and he couldn't wait to see what other grand adventures this colorful season would bring. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.